This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy lorShift here, back at it again with another banger video, y'all. And as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, we have my one-of-one Demon Swap Dodge Charger sitting behind me. It is currently snowstorming outside. We have slush on the roads. We also have my baby sitting pretty right here, fully wide-bodied out. As you guys can see, if you guys don't already know, she is Demon Swap. She has a wide-body bumper, wide-body fenders finally, and now we just got to get the wide-body wheels. Let me show y'all that BBL in the back. She is a Demon 170 Swap. If you're here and you're tapped into this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because it will help me out and it will help you out, because I'll try my best to get banger videos for you to watch. So hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and follow my Instagram as well. I'm gonna throw it up right here, and yeah, it's time to take this bad boy through the roads and go crazy. Hopefully we don't get stuck, because the snow just started actually, and it's already sticking really bad. As you can see, look at the cars driving by. Like, look how the slush just comes off of the tires. Oh my god, I don't know how bad this is about to be. My tires are bald and I gotta get home, so let's make some loud noise. Let's hear it whine, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the car. So stay tuned to the end and we're gonna drop a banger. Let's get it.
Yeah, I got wild card. I ain't talking about the drink, the rocket push start. Hitting different bitches in the walkie, it got my piss dark. Run from an all black.
So as you guys can see, we are in the Demon. We are in track mode as well, with traction off. Yes, your boy is tweaking. The roads are slushy once again, so I don't know how bad this is gonna be, but we'll see. I'm pretty sure all y'all want to hear is the whine and me go crazy, so we're gonna try our best. Let's get it. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this is bad. This is bad, bro. Yo, I'm dead ass sliding every time I tap the gas, bro. I'm obviously not gonna try and hit 100 miles per hour in this type of weather, so yeah, we just gonna make sure y'all hear the whine. That's it, all right? I'm pretty sure y'all want your boy to drive safe, so that's what we gonna do. Rule number one, though, is put our seatbelts on. Got the root beer right here, you feel me? Damn, I low-key want to spin this drum, but the curve's so damn close. Yo, I'm sliding. Yo! Yo! I'm scared I'm gonna like tap the gas and just like hydroplane into a curve or something. So we not gonna do that. But I feel like what we could do, since there's no one on the road, is come into Burger King and go out of Burger King. Yo, the car don't even really want to slide like that. The roads ain't crazy yet, but as y'all can see, they getting there. It's supposed to snow until tomorrow morning, I think, and it is only 5 o'clock. Yo. Try and give y'all a good angle too. Yo, this is getting ready to be bad, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Is that a cop? No, it's not. Yes, your boy do got McDonald's in the passenger seat. Your boy is definitely grubbing. Let's take it to the city. Let's take it to the city, y'all. It's the highway. I definitely do not want to total my car, so I'm gonna try and chill out right here. Since we're not on the highway yet, let me talk to y'all about the Demon, all right? Because I know y'all got some questions. This car is terrible in the snow and rain. It is rear wheel drive, so you already know how it get, even if you own an RT. So just imagine having like 1,000 horses, even 700, like in a regular cat, bro. and driving in these conditions. You dead ass slide every time. Like your tires just spin out. I wish y'all could like experience what I'm experiencing right now, but it's definitely not the it's not the way, bro. This shit is ass. But I mean, when you get a car like this, you gotta know what you in for, man. You gotta know what you sign up for. Just don't get this car if you're gonna be complaining about it being shitty in the snow and rain. I gotta get over, and this dude wants to ride alongside of me. Like, come on, bro. Damn. Don't y'all hate that when you just chilling and you driving and you like gotta get over somewhere and like somebody just right on you, bro? You speed up, they speed up with you. You slow down, they slow down with you. Like, bro. Alright, we're gonna be careful right here on this turn. This is how I flip my scat. We're gonna take y'all through the city real quick. If you know, you know. If you have good tires, you might be good in the snow and rain, but right now I'm like on ball tires, so just know it's bad. Let me put my window up though, so y'all can really hear everything. Let me turn the AC off too, or the heat. I'll take y'all through the city real quick, get y'all some city view. Oh! Scared the shit out of me, boy. Quick. Oh! Time to give y'all some revs. She sound rough. She sound real rough. Oh! Oh, that's a cop. Oh, that's a cop right there. He ain't turn this way though. Why they got a state trooper in the city though? What the hell? We're gonna keep it straight, y'all. We're gonna go straight. Hopefully all these lights don't cook me. Y'all know every time I do a POV in the city, these lights be cooking me, bro. I'm gonna hold y'all up higher so y'all can see everything. Yo, this wine sound crazy, bro. Oh my God, the roads are so bad. Oh! Oh! Yo, every time I've tapped the gas like that, I'm literally just sliding my tires. I just did a burnout and I didn't even hit the brake, bro. I just did a burnout. Oh! Oh! Hopefully you don't run into that state trooper, y'all. He probably looking for me. Hopefully this ain't a cop behind me, because if it is, I'm getting pulled over. Straight like that. I don't think it is though. So, since I don't think it is, we gonna do a burnout right here. I'm lying. Oh my God. Of course my camera gets dirty, bro. Hold on, y'all. All right, we back, y'all. We back. if y'all are peeping, but like my speedometer is tweaking out when I hit the gas. Cause I'm spinning out so much. Look. Yo. Oh, shit. Once again, if you are watching this video still till this minute, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. It is completely free to support. Let me give y'all some more revs while we sitting here though. Why not give y'all some more revs? Ew. Ew. Yo, this weather is so shitty, bro. Give me a green light right here. Come on, come on. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's really bad up here. Y'all see the roads? And it's mad windy, bro. I hear that whine though. Ew. 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 Let's bust this left right here. Please don't go yellow on me. I'm running it. I don't care, y'all. Oh my God, it's bad up here. Sheesh. We in a rich area. Wake up, everybody. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Yo. Yo, Hellcats are crazy, bro. Demons, Hellcats, same shit. They're all crazy. Oh, oh! It's like the faster I go and when I upshift, it just slides, bro. Or downshift. No matter what I do, I'm just spinning out, bro. It's terrible. I got cars to the right, so I gotta chill out. But I think we might go into this little parking lot area. Did I just want a stop sign? Stop sign. Stop sign. Yo, snow is so ass. Is anybody else ready for the heat, bro? Summertime? Comment down below if you missed the summertime or you been with the wintertime. Alright, we're gonna pull into this little car wash and end this joint. Hopefully nobody come flying down this. Alright, we good, y'all. Right here. Perfect. I might as well wash my car. It's like, nah. Washing your car right now will be dumb. But alright, y'all. Let me get out. I'm gonna give y'all another look at the Demon so y'all can see what we was sliding in this joint. And then, yeah. So stay tuned. Let's get it. Oh my gosh, we are finally out of the car. As y'all can see, my baby looking so good even when it snows outside. Look how bad this is though, y'all. Don't mind my little slippers, but your boy just got done hooping, so I had to throw them on. Feel me? But look at all this slush. I'm trying to tell y'all, this is bad, bro, and my tires are mad bald. But even when it snows outside, she looking good, man. We just got to get them wide body wheels and the side skirt. But once she's back, it's runs for everybody, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. We got to get the demon on the side, too. The demon decal on the side. She going to be looking crazy, bro. If y'all got any mod ideas, let me know. We still got a lot more to do as far as getting her back 100%. And if y'all still watching this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe as well. If you haven't already, go follow my Instagram. Once again, I threw it up in the beginning of the video, and I'm gonna throw it in the description below. Any comments or questions, comment down below. Let me know, and I got y'all. But it's cold as hell. Hands is cold. My face is cold. My nose is red. I think, y'all, it's time to get out of here. So I'm gonna catch you on the next banger video. If you bang with your boy lorShift, leave a like, and I'm gonna catch you on the next banger. So stay tuned for the next one. Hit that bell, and we out.